bottom of my heart for everything you've done for me. Your love, support, and guidance have shaped me into the person I am today. From the mornings driving me to school to the nights encouraging me to do my homework, you've always been there for me. Your sacrifices and hard work will not be forgotten, and I'm so grateful for all the opportunities you've provided me with. Thank you for your help and encouragement. I wouldn't be where I am today without you, and I appreciate your love and support very much. I also want to thank my brother. He's been there for me in so many ways, always offering support, guidance, and encouragement. I want to say thank you for always thinking about others, making sacrifices, and putting others before yourself. And to all my friends, thank you for always being there for me, whether it's celebrating the good times or supporting me through the tough ones. You've never failed to have my back, and I'm so thankful for all the memories we have made together and all the jokes and conversations we have had together. You've taught me so much about friendship and what it truly means to be there for someone. I couldn't imagine going through life without you all by my side. And for my 7th grader friends, I hope I'll see you next year.